so happy to be here. We are at Pep, a very popular restaurant in the heart of Barcelona. And who better than Pep himself to tell us about the secret of his success?
Media de almeja y una de almeja.
5, que pase. 5, que
Media de almeja y una de almeja en la 11. Vale, ya te lo arreglo.
Este no, este cansado ya.
La media de almeja de la 12 no la pongas, dicha. Está arreglado, ¿vale?
Mi éxito no es otra cosa que la constancia del servicio durante 35 años. Servicio, bienestar, es un sitio muy pequeño, es incómodo, pero si tú das buen producto y das una calidad concreta y la gente queda contenta, te vuelve. Esto ha sido desde 35 años lo que he procurado hacer. Procuras vender un producto, das lo que tú quieres, pero que da bien, que te sale sonriendo una satisfacción que es muy bonita.
So the first thing that we are going to do is the salad. It's going to be a wonderful endive salad. So what I have here is I have a nice endive that I just wash and I just cut it with my hands. I don't want to cut it with a knife. I don't want to touch it with the metal, okay? Because it does have the tendency to be a little bit brown otherwise, okay? So that's my endive over there. And I'm going to use some mushrooms. In Spain, in Barcelona, I would use rubellons. It's a typical, local mushroom over there. In this case, here in California, I have some brown mushrooms that are going to be just wonderful. I have them already washed and I have them, just full. I don't want to cut them either. What else I have? Sun-dried tomatoes. I have a very dark sun-dried tomatoes. They're going to be wonderful. They are in the soft side. They are not very, very hard, okay? And I have some bay leaf, a little bit of pepper, some cherry vinegar, very good for the dressing, and the nice olive oil. The first thing that I'm going to do is the mushrooms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the flame on. I'm going to put like a couple tablespoons of olive oil. More. My bay leaf. And some of this ground pepper that I have here. And I'm going to wait until the oil gets really, really hot. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the mushrooms, and I'm going to put the vinegar on at once. So I'm going to put also like about a good tablespoon of vinegar. And I'm going to let it cook there for a few minutes. Stir a little bit. Okay, so the mushrooms are getting ready now. They have the nice color. They reduced a little bit. They are soft. All the vinegar is already consumed, so the mushroom has that nice cherry flavor. I'm just going to take the flames off, and I'm just going to leave it in there while I am assembling my salad. So the salad, I'm going to get some of that endive with my hands. Okay, I'm going to put it on the dish. Remember, do not cut with a metal blade. Okay, I mean it's just better just to break it by hand. I'm going to arrange a little bit of this in the plate, very nice. I'm going to get some of my sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put it a little bit on top like this. And with the mushrooms still warm, I'm just going to get them with the use of a wooden spoon. I'm just going to put them over the salad, over the endives. Okay? Look at this, wonderful. And that's basically it. Now with all the oil of the mushroom is going to get the dressing for the salad, and this is just going to be wonderful.
Yo tengo una cocina de mercado recogiendo productos mediterráneos, tanto de montaña como y de temporada. Yo cada día a las 3 me llaman para lo que pueda haber a la tarde. A la tarde me llaman y esto. Y sobre lo que me traen lo vendo. Aquí se venden mucho las almejas con jamón, un producto que yo hace 30 años que lo hago. Los cinturones con garbanzos, un mixto frito, que es muy divertido. También una tortilla de huevo que es muy de calpe. Y así de platos, porque yo también hemos hecho tartar de atún, un mediterráneo que es maravilloso. Y hay un queso de rape con creación propia de mi hijo que sale maravilloso. Y es por esto digo, lo importante es buscar los platos deseados para que la gente salga contenta y del Mediterráneo. No se puede hacer con otro producto si no es con
Alright, so the second dish that we are going to make is also from Pep, and it's also vegetarian. It's eggs on the little casserole, you know, it's like in a little pan, okay? So what I have here, some eggs of course, and I have here also a little bit more of the mushrooms. I'm going to use the same kind of mushrooms, the brown ones. Those are going to be completely different than in the salad though. We have some garlic and parsley to do what we call in Spanish a machaquete. It's just cut them very, very fine all together. And I have some artichokes that I'm going to show you how to prepare them. And I have some pimientos, okay, some red bell pepper. You can use the one from the jar, they're called pimentos, they are fine. If you want to make them yourself, you can put them on the oven for 375 degrees for about 17 minutes or so, and they're going to be just fine. The first thing that we are going to get ready are the artichokes. And I already washed those ones, and I'm going to show you a trick that my mother showed me, and is just take the artichoke, you have it like this, you put it upside down, and you hit it against the hard surface. In that way you break all the little things that stick in your hands and all that, and they get a little open, and I just cut them in half. And for this dish, half again. If you're using a larger artichoke, what I like to do is the little hair, just cut it with a little knife. For these ones, it's almost nothing in there. Okay?